Hi, I'm Tina. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my cloth and paper subscription box. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. And now if this is the first time that you are visiting my channel, thank you so much for joining me today. While you are here, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell when you do. All right, so I like to share the actual opening of the box with you so you can see how it comes. And this does come with a card that says what's inside. Thank you so much for subscribing to our April stationery box. So it has a little bit different format this month, I'm noticing. So it's got everything here. It's got, let's see, home, refresh, and renovation inserts, dashboards, accessories, journaling cards, and then there is some illustrations on the back side, which I'm not going to share with you because I'm going to share the actual items with you. All right, let me scoop everything out of here and I will be right back. All right, I went ahead and I scooped everything out, but I didn't open this up just yet. So I will open it up now with you. And I love this. It's really not necessarily an insert unless you have like a large happy planner size, but you can always frame these. And this one says, I learned a long time ago, the wisest thing I can do is be on my own side. I love this. This is really nice. This one, I really like this one a lot. All right, now I'm gonna scoop everything out and go through everything with you individually. All right, so to start off, we are starting with these home refresh and renovation inserts. These inserts are the perfect tool for changing up your space and keeping all of your information in one place. 18 pages. There is a demo page included. Now, the size that I get for my subscription box is the classic Happy Planner size. And this is like the cover sheet telling you exactly what this particular insert is. And then here is the demo for it. All right, so let's take a look at these inserts. I'm gonna flip this around because this is a little different on this side based on what they have in here under the demo sheet. All right, so this is pretty self-explanatory though. We've got, let's see, home refresh plus renovation. So there is to do section with your bullet points, and there's lines here, supply list, and then a note section, which is a dot grid. And, ooh, okay, so this is lot more in here. So there's contact information plus notes. So the contact, whatever service it is that you're having done. So if you are doing any type of renovation, if you've never done it before, it's a lot. Like there's a lot of things that you need to like decide on, and different maybe contractors that are involved. So this is a great place to keep all of that information. This is a mood board. So there is like your design concept, color scheme, textures, decor accents, photos, and inspiration. All right, and then we've got more mood board here. Let's see. And then it looks like we go into the space layout and planning, which is a grid, line grid section, and then whatever space it is. So that's where this demo page comes in, because they're showing you examples of, let's see, new pieces of furniture, old furniture, and then like, let's say you want to reconfigure just the layout of your space. So here is a kitchen layout that they're giving as an example. I think a great way to use this is really just for any space, whether you're doing any type of renovation or not. Let's say you want to reorganize a space, let it be like your closet space. You could draw that out and diagram everything out on how you want everything to go into your closet space, or let's say a pantry space. You know, of course, they do give the example of a complete room in here, or maybe you're getting some new furniture and you want to try to configure how you're going to be laying the furniture out. So it doesn't necessarily have to be about actually doing any kind of like a reconstruction or construction or anything like that. So you have a few pages of that. So those are pretty nice. I like this because it's a great place to just kind of put all of your thoughts down. So the next thing are the dashboards. Let's go ahead and look at those. All right, so here are the dashboards. There are a total of 4 of them. This very first one, Elysian, this is a vellum, so it is something that you can layer, and it is an adjective: beautiful or creative, divinely inspired, peaceful, and perfect. This is really pretty. I love the font on there. And this is the next dashboard, which is a paint texture. And as you saw, this layers beautifully on top of here. I really like that look. The next one we have here is a home infographic dashboard. So this one is just a diagram of a space, and it has on here tips to decorate your space. And there's quite a few little tips on here, so I like that. And then the last dashboard is self-cultivation, and this is a noun: the gradual process of acquiring knowledge, the effort of developing one's physical and mental capabilities. So I really like this. I like the color that it is on. It's not a white, it's just a very neutral color. And this one layers nicely on here. I think that looks the best. I'm sure, yeah, I don't think layering on here, that would be a little bit too much writing down at the bottom. So this is definitely the best combination here to layer that with. All right, so the next thing we're on to are the accessories, and it's all about the neutrals this month with new colors, Angora and Cortado. All right, so we've got some arrow sticky notes in the Angora, and these are matte, so you can definitely write on there with any pen. So you don't have to worry about using any specific pen for these. I like these. A little bit different shape than what we've seen before. And then we've got some page flags, and they have redesigned their marketing on this, I'm seeing. So here, let me take this off because these are transparent. And let's just take one. Make sure I only have one here. And then that way you can see the actual color. It's pretty thick. Like, you would have to really use a white gel pen on there, I think, because a regular, like, dark pen, black pen, ink is not gonna work on that. And then we have Angora Grid Notepad. They've included quite a few notepads lately, and I am loving these. So I've got like some different varieties, and this is a lined grid one, so I really like that. And then this was the only thing I kept in the packaging just because I wanted to share with you exactly how it came. And this is an erasable gel pen. So this is new. Now, Cloth and Paper does also offer like a pen subscription box. You can get it with the regular stationery subscription box. I don't know if they offer it just separately, but I know it is offered as an add-on to this. So we've got an erasable gel pen. Ooh, that's nice. So the click is actually on this clip. So that's how you open that pen up. So I like that it's thicker. I like pens that are a little bit thicker. They just are very, very comfortable. All right, the last thing we have to share with you are the journaling cards, and there are 4 of them. So here they are, and we have our clear June card on the little acrylic. It's like a credit card size. And then we've got the journaling card, which is a cardstock for the month of June. And now we've got some other cards here, and let's see what these say. And now, after everything, you will not cave in. You are rising from the ashes. You are starting again. That's really nice. And let's see what this one says. To make living itself an art, that is the goal. Wow, really nice. All right, so this is everything from Cloth and Paper's April subscription box. I love it. I'm loving the dashboards and the accessories. I cannot wait to like refresh my planner with some of these dashboards. I love this right here. I love it. I need to get a frame. I need to put that up because I'm really, really liking this a lot. And I like the new aesthetic that you have going on here. I like that they've included on the back here illustrations of everything that's included in the box, and you know, what everything is called, you know, what they're calling it, because sometimes I will be pulling things out and I might be calling things the wrong thing. So this was great reference. I like that. So thank you so much, Cloth and Paper. And please drop a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Are you in love with cloth and paper products the way that I am? Love to chat about it. Please also remember, I am on Instagram at It's a Wonderful Plan. So if you're on Instagram, head on over there and follow me there. Send me a DM. Let me know that you watch me here on YouTube. I love to make that connection. Please remember to subscribe to me here on YouTube. Hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified when my videos come out. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope that you enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you next time. Bye.